It's stiff, but it never stiff. When we look on the link in relation to the other one, this is the belly. You know, look a curved part?
Yeah.
You look on top, and the flat part down at the bottom. I'm just a rat to do that. I see that when I'm going to give your attention to it. I just let that jump on the last gear. But now it not jump now because it kind of, it a rotate proper now. Really, yeah.
If after we replace cable here,
Yeah.
if it
Mm-hmm.
stick in at all,
Yes.
we got
The caliper.
no, we'll try take it apart.
Okay.
Which is too much time
Yes, I know.
to take it apart.
Yeah. I mean make it like that. I want to go a little bit faster, you know. we put the bike on the front wheel, you know.
Yeah.
Hold about the bike, yeah, the front wheel. The road up is some more straighter. So you never got Jamaica to ride it with them guy there?
No, because when I go down there, there's so much things to be done.
Okay, so much thing to be done, okay.
Both with attorney and whatnot.
Mm-hmm.
Because I have to help. I was helping my mom
Mm-hmm.
with her land things and whatnot.
Mm-hmm. Hey,
So
Tony,
we
check
have a
out this.
big-
That thing I know, just go
We
for
have a big company that operating at our place, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And Sampar.
Yeah, some farm, we know them.
Yeah. They're operating at our place.
Okay, oh, on your land, on your guys' land?
Not on the land. The building.
The building.
Well, land and building.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Hey, mind your finger on the top, you know.
This not working?
Oh, the adjuster?
Yeah.
Of course, it should be working. I mean,
Why?
it now move. Unless it back out of the thread in there, unless it max out. Unless them screw them on back out a little bit, yeah, man. Boy, they must reach far, you know, too far.
Yeah, I don't think you can catch him.
846, you catch them, man. I think when if you go up on a vehicle right now, you can't catch them. Unless the vehicle can go rape for Sheridan, that's on 196 Avenue. And you up there and wait for them. I don't think you can reach up there so yet. And you just go for all the way for US 27 and Sterling Road, go wait for the fucker. No different vehicle there. You catch them back. Yo, Tony, make it stay the second one here.
Huh?
Nobody make it, nobody, yeah, just make it stay the one. Nobody make it go for the top there. When you ready, jump up there, yeah? I let me notice, when I ride it, and it marks out. Yeah.
It's fine to you not to sit down getting. You know more people never use that gear.
Yeah, man. Make it stay the second one. You just lower that.
I said this time is lucky.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Why? Because I'm going to the caliper?
Well,
Flipper. We call it shifter. Yeah, me have shifter the yard, man, from the other bike. I'm take off them blouse and shirt and bring them come gear, brother. Cause that me have to do, brother. I look how we forgot to spend money. A tree, basically,
because
a tree with the bike, a tree here. You know, the one that we pay for, the door is, plus the two on the bike. The
it could have happened.
Yeah.
It could have went between the sprocket and I can't get it out.
Yes.
Or somehow I couldn't get it fished down here. So
Yeah.
So you're born lucky.
Well, I'm born lucky now when the lot up. Well, Mr. T, yeah, black kit there. Let me see me can. That look far towards sensor you have no problem. You ever ride out there?
No.
You ever stay here?
I'll just go back.
Oh, Rastafari.
Everything is for purpose.
Oh, true.
If you go there and go all, go drop or something.
Oh, true. Yeah, the battery, the back will come off for the something like that for fast.
Me?
Let me look at the let me see. 20, you have any block here?
Let me wash my hand.
Okay.
Lock here.
Yeah, man. Let me rewrap that something. The battery, through the Chinese material M4, you know?
Yeah.
The material 4.
Yeah.
So they look at something them broke off. I can't lock down the battery with that kind of force that is occurred. Friggin' battery. personally. Yeah, he told her. Yes, that is true. Hard to keep on the back.
So why is it that it's pushing it up?
Because look at there's a spring in it. The battery, it has a spring in it. Let me show you what's inside. That's what they designed. There's a spring right there. The spring that provide the ground, the positive part. The spring provide that bring the positive voltage to it. You know.
What you call it getting into it, yeah?
Eh?
Condensation.
Yeah, yeah, but it still worked. I mean the thing worked. I see the speedometer, the values jump up on the meter whenever the battery's been disconnected because I think the back is being eased off.
So why this won't lock down on
Because the Chinese materials are weak. Let me show you, Tony. You see there's a little hook here that you push this way to open it and you draw it back to lock it this way, you know? That is what is causing the problem here. And these little hooks at the side that locked into the side, they are probably broken off with these. So that is the reason why I have to use the tape. This is called Shanren. This is the brand that they made and released probably about 2 years ago. I don't want to buy anymore. I'm going to go for a stricter Garmin this time. I just want a Garmin 1030 Plus. That's what I really want. That's about $600 for it. Still going to buy it.
So why you keep this tape at the back?
Because it all along the back. It all along this. Because I can't lock it in. Yes, it hold it down.
It have nothing to do with it.
So what you want to do? Tony, what do you think? You're going to screw that thing in and make it locked? You're not wiser than me, man. I know that's what's wrong with it because more than one time that shit happened. There's about 4 cents. That's the 4th sensor I buy. The 4th one. Fourth sensor I purchased. I want to see how you go fix that. How you go screw that thing and lock it in. No, you're an engineer, but it's one hard job. I wanna bring in, man, a fucking $2,000 to pay that. Blah 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 blah. There's the wheel I should pay for $150 for that. You just got an old bike. So scared.
So the tab that was there break off?
Yes, because it is very weak. It's very, very, very weak. See that? It's not even sliding its hook in there, and that's the problem with it. Inferior Chinese design. And I pay $200 for the whole friggin' GPS unit, sensor, heart rate monitor. Purchase that differently. If like press it down and turn it, hopefully it hook. Now lock, see?
Okay, get ready to break off it too.
Just use a tape and use a tape and just hold it down and that's it. Rotate it back to the lock position, then use a tape and see if we could mean, this needs a more powerful shit tape. Woo! What a life! I can't believe this shit. They said 20 Monday morning open 10 o'clock, right?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll bring the bike here for the guy to tune the wheel because this shit is wobbling. It's out of throwing. Is there a way right now? One of your Shimano, the one of the Shimano rotor, the one there. How much one of your Shimano rotor right now? Could I just buy one and put on the back wheel to make it run a little bit straighter? We have to pay your feet now, you know. If you have it, and if you have Shimano rotor, if you have Shimano force, if you have the one, I think if you have 140 millimeters, that's the one that is on the back here, not 160. So I just pay for that shit right now and put it on. As long as this rotor kind of bend and I try to straighten it, it just can't be straight. And that's why I can't have the brake too close on the back of it. If it's run me down to this rotor, slow me down, cutting the speed. Just want to, oh, you know what, Tony? Just wait. I'm gonna get more money from more car lines. I did some more work. So, oh, that's it?
I see it.
Oh, I have to see the light blinking here. Let me see.
It not blink.
I don't know. But I have to really see if I hold it down. But I have to really. You can't try. Yeah, see there? See number there? It's hold on. See number there? Number turn. You just turn the whole like this, you see?
Oh, okay. Straight over.
Thank you for your help. Half the time. Let me there's one bitch to catch right here.